ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, मेरा जूता है जापानी। ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, मेरा जूता है जापानी।
कभी कभी पुराने दिनों की यादें सेहत के लिए बहुत अच्छी होती है।
And that's why we are celebrating 100 years of Indian cinema here at St. John's Universal School.
दोहराएगी जवानियाँ,
मैं न रहूंगी तुम न रहोगे, फिर भी रहेंगी निशानियाँ।
चाहता हूँ, दौड़ना चाहता हूँ, घिरना भी चाहता हूँ, बस रुकना नहीं चाहता।
I want to fly, I want to run, I even want to fall, I just don't want to stop.
ये भाई जरा देख के चलो, आगे ही नहीं पीछे भी, दाएं ही नहीं बाएं भी, ऊपर ही नहीं नीचे भी, ये भाई।
I am the hero, man. Nothing is impossible for me. In fact, impossible word is not there in my dictionary.
कहाँ से कहाँ ले दी ऐसी बकवास डिक्शनरी?
नहीं, हीरो तुम नहीं हो। हीरो तो ये है जो अपने फिल्मों के माध्यम से समाज को नया संदेश देते हुए उन्हें आईना दिखाते हैं।
That's right. मेरे लिए तो
जीना यहाँ, मरना यहाँ, इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ। जीना यहाँ, मरना यहाँ, इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ। जी चाहे जब हमको आवाज दो, हम थे वहीं, हम थे यहाँ, अपने यहीं दोनों जहाँ, इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ।
So ladies and gentlemen, here we go.
Action, 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 action.
Tappu Sena is discussing a school project. Their school, St. John's Universal, has asked the students to organize some social event in the areas allocated to them as a part of inter and intra-personal intelligence development program. The aim of the program is developing skills of leadership, self-esteem, person-to-person communication, and most importantly, bringing about general awareness among the society.
Our social event has to be different and unique.
How about organizing health checkup camps?
I am sure
Dr. Hathi uncle can help us.
Dayanti, wow! English, awesome! Thamko Goli, the credit goes to my English tutor, Gutti auntie. Myself, Gutti, Daya, Tappu, Gutti, Daya's teacher, Gutti, myself, Gutti.
Anyway, Sonu, we have an amazing idea.
An event which will not only give a chance to interact with people, but one which would play a key role to change the widespread fictitious public notion.
How about organizing a universal film fest?
Wow, what a scintillating concept! Something really unique. And it sounds perfect as Indian cinema has just completed 100 radiant years. Mataji, a school project on films.
See, Sonu, this is the fictitious notion I was talking about. Each one of us enjoys movies, but most of us think it's a complete waste and pure nonsense.
Majority of them have the opinion that cinemas are polluting our rich culture and spoiling our youth. Well, everyone looks it direct to us once we set a mind for it.
Absolutely. So the need of the art is to change this prejudice.
But Tappu, Papa will be very upset, huh?
Don't worry. Our new friend can convince your Jethalal.
पोपों से धरती फटी, उसके आहट से आसमान, हवों से कॉपी दया, राज कर रहे जेठालाल। जिनकी होगी ताकत अपूर्व, जिनका होगा निशानों अभेद, जो लाएंगे इनकी राय में सुधार, वो कहलाएंगे टप्पू सेना।
कौन छे? Who is calling out my name?
Oh, Papa, just at the right time. We need your permission to organize a social event in our society as a part of our school project.
School project में? So permission. Would I ever say no?
Uncle, we are planning to organize Universal Film Fest since Indian cinema completed 100 glorious years.
Film Fest? पढ़ाई में ध्यान दो बच्चों. Movies have never done anything good to us. Stay away from it. ए दया, समझाओ अपने बेटे को. Nonsense.
जी, मैं क्या बोलती हूँ? Listen to what they have to say. जीजो जी, सुनिए.
All right, Papa, but at least meet a new friend.
Don't worry. He's a friend, Fadu. Auntie, do you remember Jadoo from Koi Mil Gaya movie? Well, Fadu is Jadoo's first cousin. He's a great fan of Indian cinema. They capture all our satellite waves on Mars and run their own theaters there. Isn't it amazing?
But why is he here? What does he want from us? Where did you find him?
So many questions in one go. Utha le re baba.
Like his cousin Jadoo, he's a struggler. We found him in a garden last week, hungry and lonely.
But he has great connections in film industry. Jai Jinendra, even this intelligent creature has lost his mind for movies.
Khamosh, it's not my mind, Chidalal, but I have lost my heart for Indian cinema. Well, it's my beeper. There's an incoming 4-dimensional message.
बुलंद भारत की बुलंद तस्वीर हमारी दादा
Bachchan Anna, father of Indian cinema himself. Dada's heart Palke ji. Mataji.
You are being unfair. I have put in my sweat and blood to shape up this amazing medium of communication, and you call it nonsense? Papa, he made the first Indian full-length movie, Raja Harishchandra, in 1913. It was a silent movie as voice technology was not developed at that time.
Emergence of this new sector during the British rule would have been difficult, isn't it?
It was. I went all the way to England, learned this new technology. My family and friends were upset with me since my family was already going through grave financial crisis.
But the movie turned out very well. An interesting fact was, males had to play the roles of females in the movie. Females.
That's because during that time, no decent woman would act in cinemas. It was considered as a curse.
There was a recent Marathi movie released in 2009, Harishchandra Ji Fatty, which depicted your struggle in the making of your first silent movie.
Jethalal, I take your leave now. But ponder over it. Indian cinema is a wonderful medium of communication, and it has played a major role in shaping the society.
The movie Harishchandra Ji Factory made us aware of Phalke's struggle. Similarly, there were movies that told us a lot about India's freedom struggle and about the great Indian leaders too.
जली को आँख कहते हैं, बूढ़ी को राख कहते हैं, जिस राख से बारूद बने उसे बॉलीवुड कहते हैं। जारी well, it made a boring history come alive too. बोलो बच्चे, Gandhi movie inspired many of us with Gandhiji's way of thinking.
It told us about his non-cooperation movement and his immeasurable role, which defined our freedom struggle.
Such patriotic movies remind us of our duty towards our nation. संदेश।
ओए, ये 2.5 किलो का हाथ किसी पे उठता है ना तो आदमी उठ जाता है। ओए, मजाक नहीं। ओए
माता जी आप आए, हम धन्य हो गए। आई एम अ वेरी बिग फैन ऑफ योर मूवी गदर।
Set in 1947, the movie tells us a painful story of India's partition. Padu bhai, do you remember the movie Kranti, released in 1981? It told us the story of every Indian who fought united for our independence.
Then there were movies like Rang De Basanti that connected strongly with the youth and redefined patriotism in modern context. Even the internationally acclaimed movie and an Academy Award nominee, Lagan, was a great patriotic blockbuster. And there was this Shah Rukh Khan starrer movie that really touched my heart. It was about an NRI, the one who comes to India and stays back with an intention to develop a village. क्या था?
Paresh told us an unuttered truth. A truth that an Indian heart always craves for the warmth and love of his country, no matter in however advanced part of the world he stays in.
ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया। ये मेरा इंडिया, ये मेरा इंडिया। I love my India, I love my India।
बेटा भाई,
दुश्मन ताक में बैठा उधर और हम तैयार हैं सीना लिए अपना इधर। खून से खेलेंगे होली गर वतन मुश्किल में है। सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है।
वंदे मातरम, 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 वंदे सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्य श्यामलाम मातरम वंदे मातरम, 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 वंदे मातरम।
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी।
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। हमने कहा है, तुम भी कहो।
हमने कहा है जो
तुम भी कहो।
आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा, अपना जहां है सबसे प्यारा। आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा, अपना जहां है सबसे प्यारा।
हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तान।